Convicted criminals in Georgia are getting some new help from the state with a new law just signed by Governor Nathan Deal.
Now, the criminal justice reform bill is going to create a charter school system in prison and seal the records of some first-time offenders. News Channel 6's Chris Cordaro has more.
Georgia's incarceration rate is one of the highest in the nation, and 30% of inmates find themselves back in prison after being released. The bill Governor Deal signed Wednesday aims to break that cycle.
Many times and oftentimes returning citizens are not able to find employment when they return into their communities because of their criminal background.
The bill authorizes a state charter school system to educate those in prison who do not have a high school education. Some say this education can make a big difference when inmates look for employment after serving their sentence.
A lot of individuals have gotten in trouble. They might not have ever finished high school. So if they can at least get the GED and maybe some kind of vocational skill, even if it's maybe the first level, so to speak, it's better than not having anything at all.
The new legislation also makes changes to the First Offender Act, allowing some first-time offenders the ability to ask a judge to seal their arrest reports, jail logs, and court files. If sealed, an employer would not be able to see these documents in a background check.
It could be a crime, it could be, what do you call it, a habitual offender situation, it could be bad credit, it could be a lot of things that employers are looking at that they may decide this person might be a risk. They might not be interested in having them in their job.
Governor Deal says the new law will reduce recidivism rates and make communities safer.
Having employment does a lot of things. For one, it keeps us busy. You know, it keeps us fulfilled and engaged in society.
And studies show that engagement in society can steer a convict away from crime. In Augusta, Chris Cordaro, WJBF News Channel 6.
The bill will also allow those who've been convicted the ability to keep their driver's licenses and receive food stamps.